Anguriana ne polo nesda da lomun kotomona kironwi kamera kada Esamai lokada Aterikoba kojaye kotomono temlo ko Kaberamaido kojaye monye dabe gwelartai kumamda orajo kisnaka itunga James epalu enyuru koraida giso ngesabu kikau emonyetlo ko balada ebe ingarno ko luke district ke street mama podo hitos kanuka nyunda ebe eyuaro Esamai lokada Aterikoba.
Do you remember that during the Aterikoba swamp saga, the LCs who appended their signature in the sale of the wetland, their bicycles were withheld and later released? 3. Do you now know that a permanent structure has been built at the same swamp? Yet, it was a district excavator which was used for leveling the anthills.
Lord Arai MP loke buku loko Kaberamaido Alfred Edakasi ngisda buko limdabe kutuni kwa ningarno koluke district kulepek amun iwaitin lukada ayun Esamailo kwapa down emonyeda alomon kotoma.
Like now in this scenario where there is already a building on the wetland and they are seeing it and no one is taking action. This is really impunity. And I think it's important for the people who are mandated to do this to act.
Konyelera LC5 loko district loko Kaberamaido Victor Rex Ekesu ngesda cham kusoda limunda ebe era beit ebe adaunda alomar kotomono Samai loka Aterikoba ide kotuni tunga amon iwaitin lokada ayuar Esamailo.
The story of Aterikoba was one which galvanized all the people in the neighborhood into one demand that the place should be left. Any observer, you don't need to be a rocket scientist to go to that place and see that this place has been encroached upon. And Madam, I am asking your indulgence on this. Please, let us tell this gentleman to get out of that wetland. For me, I will just tell you, I cannot go there for anything except removing that man from the wetland.
A directive to make sure that people don't settle in wetlands. So as chairman has said, we are going to help that younger lady in the wetlands.
Konyeke jangulda nada yata kironu Esamai kedima goro kotomno district loko Kaberamaido dokas areto ngesabu kolimda ebe mametakan balelo mata kotomono Samai konye erai oshepke ibore na potitunga loko kwa pogiro to kobalas da ebe mamarai einer loka bait.
It's in a safe custody. Don't get one. I know there is Tiakamogomocho invading and we are still engaging the owner. But engaging the investor. Challenge more is that it's not going through the right procedure. We don't deny any activity to happen in a wetland. Don't get a relative assessment. It will not affect the community and it will not affect the ecosystem.
Amini sanada yata kironu konyaka no ko Uganda Freedom Grace kwechuny ngesta buko limo kaya pes lokara DC kanuka nyunda betu paineta akirotona kusoda ayun Esamai lokada Aterikoba.
For people to know that accountability is key and that they have a voice to tell governments, and also they have a right to understand what government is doing.
Michael Onyinge, TV East, Kaberamaido District.